Hi, I'm Teresa Devitt Lynch. Pat Iyer and I have been working on a conference for legal nurse consultants and forensic nurses on the basics of criminal case consulting. This will be held on 27 and 28 January. I'd like to introduce you to Victoria Morton. She's one of our presenters for this conference. She is both a forensic nurse and a legal nurse consultant and is going to be one of the key presenters at this conference. Victoria, can you just kind of go over some of the key points that you'll be talking about?
Sure, and thank you, Teresa, for having me. I'm really looking forward to presenting. I'll be laying the foundation of what evidence is, discussing types of evidence, and focusing on physical evidence specifically, and going a bit deeper into biological evidence and trace evidence. With that, I'll be discussing considerations when it comes to collection and packaging of physical evidence, and factors that can determine or affect the presence, amount, or quality of biological material on it. And then I'll be going over chain of custody, its importance, the necessary components, and consequences if it's broken. And finally, as it all wraps up, we'll be discussing the uses of evidence when it comes to investigations and court proceedings.
Perfect. That is fantastic. And I'm really looking forward to your presentation. So can you just kind of quickly run through why a legal nurse consultant would need to know the basics of forensic evidence to analyze a criminal case?
Sure. It's important for a legal nurse consultant to understand the basics of forensic evidence because in criminal cases, there is a lot of forensic and physical evidence involved. So it's important to know what you might expect to see or identify any gaps or deficiencies in evidence that is present or that has been affected or that is not present at all, and just how it impacts and affects the overall case.
Great. Thanks, Victoria, for being with me. This is going to be a great conference. And if you're wondering what the conference is, it's the Path of the Bullet being held 27, 28 January. So there's still time to register. And the site to register and find out more information is http://lnc.tips. So lnc.tips/GSW. Thanks again, Victoria, and I'm really looking forward to this week.
Thank you again.